Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Bongnetic, and I'm Pallavidas with you guys. So guys, today I created this glamorous eye look. You can wear this look in any reception party or a wedding party or any other party like 31st, Christmas. Many parties are going to come over here on, like, it's already December by the way. So you're going to attend a lot of party, a lot of occasions. You can create this look anytime you want. And this is a very simple glamorous look we can create. And yeah, so by the way, I am in love with the eye look I created. I did not thought that it will like come out this good. And yeah, I'm in love with this look. By the way, I'll just give you a closer look. You can see it's a basic cut crease glitter look. I've not done a lot of thing, so it's quite easy and simple. I hope you can create this look, and if you guys create this look, then do not forget to tag me on Instagram, and also subscribe to my channel guys. You guys do watch my video but do not subscribe to my channel, so I request you guys to subscribe to my channel. If you like my video, then give a thumbs up and share with your friends and family as well, and also comment down because I love reading your comments. So yeah, let's not waste any more time and let's get started. So guys, for my base, I'm going to use the PAC HA Liquid Foundation. This is in the shade 3.0, and I'm going to take it on my PAC buffing brush and blend it nicely on my skin. This is a very exact match to my skin. All the details of my products will be given in the description box below, so do check it once. Then for my concealer, I'm going to use the Sugar Magic Wand concealer. This is such an amazing concealer, already reviewed on my channel. Do check it. The link will be given in the description box below. I'm going to apply it on my dark circles and usual points to conceal, and blend it with the PAC concealer blending brush. Such an amazing brush. After that, to set my concealer on my T-zone, I'm going to use a new launch by Sugar Cosmetics, that is the Tinted Loose Powder. Review will be coming up soon on my channel, so stay tuned guys. To set rest of my face, I'm going to use the MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation. This is in the shade NC41, an exact match to my skin tone again. And for my brows, I'm going to use the Nykaa Wow My Brow Eyebrow Palette. Such an amazing palette, you know how much I love it. And for the for the contour, I'm going to use the NY Bay concealer stick, but I'm going to use the contouring shade from it and contour my nose, my jawline, my cheekbones and my forehead as well, and my chin here as well, and blend it with a brush which you are suitable to. I'm blending it with a random brush. For my blush, I'm going to use the PAC blush, and this is such an amazing blush, rose tint to it and a very light sheen to it, gives you healthy glow. For my eyeshadow, first I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Rosé in the Air eyeshadow palette, taking that brown shade, transition shade, and apply it on my crease and blend it inside, like onto my inner corner. After that, I'm going to take the burgundy shade, apply it onto my outer corner and blend it to my crease and inner corner. Just to get that depth to my outer corner and my crease, I'm going to use the pencil brush from Pro Art and apply it on my outer corner as well as inner corner, that burgundy shade, and blend it well. And after that, I'm going to cut my crease, like half crease, with the same concealer from Sugar Cosmetics. You can see, like, first I'm going to dot it and then I'm going to fill in. If you want a detailed cut crease look, like a tutorial, then do let me know in the comment section below. And for the glitter, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Pressed Glitter Palette and taking that amazing red glitter, and I'm going to tap it with my finger, like above my concealer. Finger gives that amazing pigmentation for a glitter or a, or a shiny eyeshadow. And I'm going to just blend the corners and edges to look it more good, presentable with the burgundy shade. And for my highlighting, like my inner corner highlighter and brow bone highlighter, I'm going to take the golden shade from the palette and highlight the brow bone and my inner corner. And after that, I'm going to use the Sugar eyeliner. This is the I Want You matte eyeliner. Such an amazing eyeliner. I really love this eyeliner. I swear to this eyeliner. Whenever I'm having like a long day, I just go ahead, take this eyeliner and do a small wing. This stays on your eyes for a very long time. This is even waterproof. I have used this eyeliner when I was going to swimming pool. This is such an amazing eyeliner. For my kajal, I'm going to use the Faces Canada kajal. This is also a very nice kajal. Really recommend this. And to smudge that lower lash line, I'm going to take that burgundy shade and apply it on my lower lash line. And to complete this eye look, I'm going to use the Pack False Lashes. The number will be given in the description box below, so do not worry. And for the mascara, I'm going to use the Hyper Curl Mascara by Maybelline. This is also one of my favorite mascara. And I just completed the other eye offline, like off camera, to just maintain the time. And for the highlighter, I'm going to use my very purana favorite, which is the Makeup Revolution sophx palette, and taking that golden and bronze shade, perfect for my skin tone. And you can see it gives you that healthy glow to your skin. It doesn't have any chunky glitters. This is really nice. After tapping off the excess, still it gives me that amazing glow. For my lipstick, I'm going to use the PAC Sweet Sensational lipstick, and this is probably in the shade Candid. It will be listed in the description box below, so do not worry guys, do check that once. And to set my face, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Matte Finish Setting Spray. I'm just going to cover up my eyes and set the rest of my face. This is such an amazing setting spray, trust me guys. This has another version, that is the dewy finish one. You can take any one of it and it is so reasonable. So this is the outcome of the look. I love this look. This is such a party look. Even you can wear this look on Valentine's Day, which is coming next year. So guys, I hope you like this video and this makeup tutorial was helpful to you. And do comment down if you like this look or not. And also share with your friends and family and ask them to subscribe to my channel as well. And yeah, till then, stay healthy and stay beautiful. Ta-da!